How to download Snapchat for PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can download Snapchat for your PC, so let's dive in. First, you have to open any browser on your device. I'm using Chrome. And then on your browser you have to search for download Snapchat for PC. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to just click this first link, the official Snapchat link over here. I'm just going to right click on it and then click open link in new tab, and it's going to bring me to this page over here. And now you can see I have this download for PC over here. Just click this download option on the top right corner, and once you do so, it's going to take you to this page, and now you have to just log in into your Snapchat, and then you can just continue with downloading Snapchat for web app by clicking over here. And then it's going to take you to this interface over here once you click that option, and now you have to click download. And once you click download, it's going to just start the downloading process, and once it's downloaded you'll be able to see it on your PC. Now you just have to choose the place where you have to save the download and then click save. And then you'll be able to just download the Snapchat installer application, and then you can just run it and you're good to go. And that's how you download Snapchat for PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.